I'm gonna try to eat my tablecloth. What's the tea, everybody? Hi, this is Elaina, or Lottie Deluxe, the tea on Fridays. And today is Friday. That means Friday a drag. And we're doing this look, obviously. Sasha Velour. I've been meaning to do her look for a while, and we're gonna be doing this. So if you guys are interested, I usually do makeup looks, drag looks, face paint, you name it. So check out my channel for more videos, and we're gonna get into this look right now. Follow, like, subscribe. Let's get into it. Okay, we're back to film it, and we're doing, of course, Sasha Velour, and I've been thinking about doing this for like a while, and the difficulty is the bold cap. I've done the bold cap before, but you know, I always buy the cheap one. So this is one of those things from Amazon. I just popped it open, so we're gonna see if it actually works or not. So the key here is to cut it to size. So we're just gonna start drawing a line, and we're gonna cut this. So got prostate here, so we're gonna try to apply it the proper way. Not sure how good this bold cap is. So if it's bad, it's probably not gonna work that well, but we shall see. I already applied alcohol on my skin, by the way. So what I just had discovered, this is made of latex and not that fine material that melts with acetone and melts into the skin. So now I'm regretting my decision to put it so close to my face. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, because this is not gonna blend well, but we're gonna try to cover it up with makeup. So I did this step over again with a dry on low setting on cool and prostate all over, cut my ears out and tucked the rest under the wig cap pretty much. I mean, this is a cheap bold cap, and this is as good as it's gonna come. There's no way to make it better. So we're gonna just try to match the color to my skin tone and to foundation, so it all kind of comes together. But I'm a little disappointed that it's not gonna work the way I thought it was gonna work. Oh well, that's what you get here for the budget. So let's try it. I'm going with LA Girl Truly Matte Foundation, Long Wear and High Pigment, and I know it's truly matte, so that's why I want to apply it all over the bold cap. And then hope it's gonna all work together. So the look we're doing, of course, is the pink look from her new book release. And yeah, I'm a little worried, but you know, if something looks imperfect here, can be touched up later on Facetune, because our budget for bold cap is not all that. I guess I could have gotten something more expensive, but I feel like if I'm not going out with it, it's like, what's the point of buying an expensive bold cap I'm going to take off in a second, you know what I mean? So for this look in particular, she's using pink base, like a cream base, so I'm gonna use my Beauty Creations eye base. This is pretty much just pink. I use Candid Concealer under, because I want to create a base, but it was kind of overkill, I think. But anyways, we're gonna use that on a small brush, kind of similar what she's using. And this is Anastasia Beverly Hills, because I have a feeling we always get the same kit, the drag queens, and painted with Raven. So it's a very similar small angle brush. And we're gonna create a cat eye. Interesting fact, she says that her eyes are deep set, but I'm like, girl, you haven't seen me. And she struggles, you see. You know, for all those people that say that hooded eyes are the trouble, wait until you see deep set eyes. Because there are a lot of things we cannot do what hooded eye people can do. But, you know, make it work. She did her eyes first, and then this is a YouTube video, by the way. I'm just following that. I'm going to link her video somewhere up here, so you guys can go watch if you're interested. To set this, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills, Lisa Edwards. This is the perfect pink color, and it's really, really bright. It looks like she was using the exact same brush, Anastasia Beverly Hills 810, and this is a big fluffy brush. And this is good to kind of pack the color. Now I'm gonna use a small one for the small. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive. And we're gonna apply some glitter. Now, Sasha Velour says that makeup shouldn't be expensive. And I usually so agree with her, but then she proceeds to apply art supply glitter. Which, like, okay, I've done some questionable glitter before, but art supply glitter is not made for the eyes. So it's gonna be a little rough. It might like give you abrasions in the eyes. This is not the right color completely, but I might have to do something over it or something. This is just old glitter that I have. I don't think it's Crafts glitter. I think it's for the eyes. But it's like a cool tone pink. But actually, you know what? It works. So I'm using Scotch tape to remove the remaining glitter fallout. I don't have much fallout for some reason. Maybe my glitter adhesive is better than her, whatever stuff she was using. I like to be shady. Anyway, so I think we're done with the color application. Now it's time for the base. So I'm applying highlight first, the way she was doing it. She used like Fenty foundation and applied like pretty much everywhere. So I'm using concealers, combination of concealers. Anastasia Beverly Hills 1, which is like almost white. And I'm using also a mix. Juvia's Place is 21 because Juvia's Place is a little more fluid. It's easy to mix. He has pink out on my sponge already. I'm just watching that spot. And if you hear something, that's the cats. They're already raising hell. So for the foundation, I'm mixing a couple of things. I'm trying to create a thicker paste because the wig cap is cheap and it's not gonna blend well. I'm just gonna tell you right off the bat. I already said it was powder and everything, so it's as good as it can come. So I'm using the same foundation, LA Colors, and I'm mixing it a little bit with Kimchi. Sasha is very pale B, and I didn't apply any soft tan today, just for that reason. And I'm applying foundation right over the powder to kind of like have it all blend together, hopefully. So for the contour, she pretty much contours the cheeks and chin a little bit. The chin is easy. And the cheeks are tricky because there's still bold cap there and it's tricky. So I'm just gonna use the brush, kind of stamp it on. It takes the makeup pretty well, I'm gonna say. But it's not the same color as on the face. So we just want to make sure it kind of all blends together. So she starts her eyebrows in the middle. I'm just using the same ABH stick. She starts where her own eyebrows start. And goes straight up. Ish. Obviously there's an angle. But it goes up and out. A very evil eyebrow. I'm living for this. And of course we're drawing signature hairs. Now this is all creams, so like I like that too, because it can be all fixed. Whatever you don't like can be kind of adjusted a little bit with powders. Well, she does her eyebrows with the gel liner later, so once you put the gel liner on, you screw it pretty much. So it's roughly sketched. I can't get the shape of the eyebrow correctly for some reason, but it's all gonna be reinforced with black gel liner. The nose contour is pretty much kind of a triangle. Sasha Velour face is pretty skinny out of drag already, so she doesn't like contour extremely. But the nose, she kind of goes in like this, at a triangle. So next she applies white to highlight. So I'm using Kimchi, the most concealant white, of course. Just under the eyebrows. To really highlight and show how bad my bold cap is, so you can see all the lines. And here it kind of like connects here. The nose, I think she does like the tip. And a a little here, a little here, and on the forehead. So it's time to blend the eyeshadow and put the blush on. I'm using the ABH. Actually, this is Rpdr 6. And there is the perfect pink there in the middle. C3. I think my eyebrows kind of too good life on their own. And a little higher than Sasha's, but my husband just said, is there such thing in drag as too high of the eyebrow? He's an expert all of a sudden. But, you know, it's all very individual. Also, it's very hard to apply makeup on the bald cap opposing to my skin. And it screws with me majorly. But, you know, make it work. It's a make it work moment. So for the blush, I'm using Rpdr Cosmetics. This is Blush Cleat and Island Spice Blush Palette flavor 2. It has this beautiful fuchsia pink. So I should pretty much contour this blush. And this is going to be difficult. I'm going to try not to apply to the edge, like the seam between the bald gap and the skin. It doesn't want to attach well, so what I did on the other side, apply more foundation and give it a base to attach to. And now it should work a little better. Oh, she used Kimchi Drama Queen highlighter, and we have this. She actually used this color, and for this kind of makeup, like, I would go to the lightest because I'm an extra queen, so I'm gonna mix them two together. Oh, girl! Now we're feeling it. And I'm gonna use a small brush and apply to the brow bone. The brow bone, the new brow bone. A little on the tip of the nose. So she used black eyeshadow on the waterline, and I'm gonna use Dark Side ABH pencil because I feel like I have better adherence. And the black eyeshadow is gonna stick to this better. And also, she put no eyeliner and only eyelashes. And I'm really like, I'm not into it. Because you can see the line, the lash line. I guess in drag it doesn't matter, but still, like, I would rather have some eyeliner. So I'm just gonna use that and Cerise Black from Rpdr Volume 6, a small tiny brush. So this is Rpdr Cosmetics Black Liquid Liner. This is a pen. Very easy to draw a line. This is just pretty much so the large pen doesn't show as much. And setting the brows with a gel liner. My brows are definitely higher than hers, but you know, I'm very extra and I outbrowed Sasha Velour. And of course a signature middle, the Ripple eyebrow. So got ourselves a unibrow. Something obviously I miss and I lack. I got no eyebrows, can't relate. So lip liner. She says she likes her lips to look like a flying eagle. The wing. And of course there's a lot of overlining. I'm using the ABH lip liner in the color Cherry. Filling in with Seraphine, Anastasia Beverly Hills. So she did end up using lip gloss. Oh, by the way, I put my cheap eyelashes on. It's 301 stacked with Amazon lashes pretty much. And now I'm gonna get to use this lipstick I got in PR from Wet n Wild. And this was a Christmas edition, the, what is it, Charlie Brown Christmas. And this is Fa La La lipstick. It has glitter in it, so it's better than lip gloss. Ah, it's just perfect. And she's here, the big reveal. Nothing is better than freshly opened Walmart tablecloth. And this is the perfect look. You know me, I'm a crafty queen. And tablecloth is always an outfit. I pretty much just draped it. There's a picture on the internet that she's wearing this. Oh, that's my kitten. She's wearing this. So it's kind of like, hers looks like a tablecloth too, by the way. And yes, I did. I said it. But anyway, so that's like an easy drape, pretty much. The earrings, I think they should be very expensive because she mentioned something that she paid a lot of money for them. And yeah, mine are tin. Very tinny can. Yeah. It's not bad. From distance you can't see where my bolt cap is, but when you look close, maybe you can see everything. One day I'm gonna get expensive bolt cap if I go out like that, but for the video this will do. So what do you think? I think I like it. First I thought my eyebrows were a little too high, but like I'm very extra with everything, so there you have it. Sasha Velour, a very, very extra look. Pink, red. There's a picture of her like this. Actually, this is an Instagram profile picture because this is for her book cover, obviously. So let me know what you guys think. Have you read her book? To be honest, I didn't even know she wrote a book. I mean, I'm not very good with news and following stuff. I have attention span of a squirrel friend. So yeah, that's my excuse. But anyway, now I do know she wrote a book. I'm kind of interested, but I haven't gotten it, so let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below, like this video if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Follow me on social media, all the links are down in the description box. So thank you all for watching, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next fabulous video.